Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fake a surprised face. And these will be easy instructions and this will be a tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to look surprised and you have to fake that surprised face, this is the video for you. I'm going to keep this video very short, sweet, and straight to the point. I'm going to show you the exact face that you should do and how to create that face. So this is a surprised face. It's going to look something like this. Something like that. So how do you create that surprised face? Well, it's very simple. These are the components. These are the factors. Firstly, you have to open your mouth nice and wide, like that. Okay? Just like that. Secondly, you want to raise up your eyebrows. Just like that. And thirdly, you want to open your eyes nice and wide too, which usually will go hand in hand. When you raise your eyebrows, usually your eyes will open nice and wide, but you might have to give it an extra try or effort. Not an extra effort. You might have to give it extra effort, or give it extra trying power to actually open those eyes nice and wide, because maybe your eyebrows are going to raise up, but you're not going to open your eyes super wide. So you want to do, you want to make sure your eyes are open wide as well. Just like that. So mouth open, eyebrows up, and then eyes open wide, okay? And when you put those together, open the mouth, eyebrows up, and then open your eyes wide. Okay, when you put those together, you're gonna create this surprise face, and it's gonna look like this. And you can use it to show, let's say that like a shocking surprise, right? You can use it to show like a pleasant surprise. Right? You can, by changing the dynamic of it, you can use it to adapt to the context of why you are surprised. Right? So it can be shock, like complete shock, or it can be like a happy, pleasant surprise. Something like that. But that's the idea. And you can see right there when I'm doing a pleasant or happy surprise, I'm putting almost a little bit of a smile there. Just like that. So you can use it to your own liking and you can adapt it to your own liking, but the idea is simple. You can take that idea, those components of opening the mouth, raising the eyebrows up, and opening your eyes. Okay, firstly, open your mouth up nice and wide. Okay, secondly, raise your eyebrows up like as high as you can, and thirdly, open your eyes nice and wide. Okay, get your eyes nice and open. When you do those, and you're doing them all together, not in order, you're just doing them all together like that, right? When you do them all together, you are going to create the surprise look, and then you can then adapt it to the context that you're in, and adapt it to the specific thing that is surprising you. So yeah, that's how to fake a surprise look. And you can obviously, I'm doing a sound, but you don't need to do the sound. You can just, I'll give you a few more examples. Let's say, let's say you're getting like a surprise birthday party, and maybe what's happening. So you're having a surprise birthday party, but someone told you, somehow you found out. You see all the cars parked on the street. You know you're walking into your surprise birthday party. You're like, hey, I want to look surprised. Right? So you walk in, surprise! Like you could just really look. You could just look surprised by doing that, right? So you can use it for any context, obviously, for any situation, but that's how to do it. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.